Hello, CNG 132. Welcome to a midweek check-in. I just got the email saying we should have access to our Azure DevTools for teaching. Um, Basically, I'm following this right now to um, sign in. You guys will also follow the same exact details. But with this, you should be able to access when we start getting into setting up virtual machines and diving in a little bit further. If you look at the projects, they say to make sure to do them on virtual machines. Um, so when you start doing these installing softwares, make sure you do them on the virtual machines here. And with the let's see, with the Azure DevTools, we should get a Windows ISO, and we should get a virtual machine access. Oh shoot, um, VMware, VMware. So I'm going to pause the video just for a second till I get all my information entered, and then I will let you know if this is successful and where to. So welcome back again. Just got done entering my information. So it looks like the directions say software, and then we'll see a lot of software. Yes. Okay. So we'll see a lot of software. This is all software provided to you guys for free from the campus. Um, if you're taking, let's see, um, a programming course, Visual Studio, you get the better Visual Studio here, not the community one. If you're taking information systems, within this you get Visio Professional 2019, Project Professional 2019. If you're doing a database class, of course you get Access, and I believe there's also SQL. Yeah, also SQL. All of these are for free, but for our class, we want to do Windows. All I want is Windows 10. Let's try to memorize. Let's try to minimize this. Windows 10. Education version. Right there. I forget what N is, but we'll just do the regular education version. And I believe VMware. No items found. Okay, so I'm going to need to find VMware, but I do know a workaround for VMware. If we go to their sites, excuse me, VMware, and when I do stuff on the other screen, I'm just doing a Google search. And I can't tell you how valuable it is to understand how to do a good search. Um, that one I just put in VMware, and of course I got a whole bunch of stuff. This one here, I did VMware, and I know there's a student program um, that we can actually, academic software licensing, nope. I know there's a free one where we get to use VMware for free for 90 days. Okay, training support upgrades, VMworld. So I'll still have to look for that, or maybe it's further down. Nope, that's it. What else could we try? We could try. I'm gonna pause this video again and try some other stuff. So here we go again. Um, this is. I will post this in the news too. So this is the site we're supposed to have access to. Verify that you have access. You want to download VMware Workstation 15 for Windows user. Uh, Player is a very simplified version of this, so make sure you just get the workstation and not the player. If you have a Mac, don't fret. VMware Fusion 11 is your usable software here. So make sure you go to this. I'll post this in the announcements or in the weekly check-in. So follow this link that I give you. It's a very long link. Basically, sign in with your username and password. Mine was George Lemos. Let's see if it works. Yeah. I haven't been a front range student for a very long time. But I am trying to get access to this myself so I can show you guys the process to download. It's fairly easy. Really just follow the directions and you should get there. This will get your VM Workstation 15 will replace, or VMware Fusion will replace the VirtualBox. Go ahead and feel free to use VirtualBox. It's a good hypervisor. And if you want to run Windows hypervisor on your own system, that's a great way to learn outside of the box also. So with that, I'll start to end this video. Double check your access. I'll send you links to both of these. I'll put the directions to the Azure because I have them. I don't have the directions to the other one yet. I just put in a call a couple minutes ago. So hopefully I'll get those directions. And I will try to find the link for the free VMware trial. I know that's out there on the internet. I just got to find it.